Hi cutie fam, what's up? So today I am coming on live to show you, or coming on camera to show you my subscription box. I don't know if most of you or any of you have heard of Grove. Grove is a all natural plant-based plant-based, I guess, home cleaning stuff. And I think I paid like $53 for this box. And I'm going to show you everything that came in my box. So first of all, they give you this little card thing. It says, we're so happy you're here. And then it says, basically everything that it's about, tells you, look for the reminder each month, and it basically gives you an introduction to Grove. They are certified B Corporation. We're in the business of doing good for people, animals, communities, and the planet, and we're essential to that work. Together, we're creating a world where the product we use actually do good for human and environment health. They save over 1 million plus pounds of plastic in the first year of this year. 2019 2019 sustainability achievements became carbon neutral across facilities and customer shipments. Planted 215 million trees, reduce 450,000 pounds of plastic, save about 5 million store trips. This is a subscription where you call in, or you go online and you can pick your products, what you want, what you need, that kind of stuff. So first thing, I'm going to show you everything that came in my box. So here are trash bags. I don't know why my camera's fuzzy. Drawstring bags made from 100% recycled plastic. They are 13-gallon trash bags. It says these bags help remove garbage from America's rivers. Every 50 roll purchase, we remove 1 pound of trash with help from Living Lands and Waters. Made in the USA in partnership with Waste Zero. Okay. Then you get a box of ultra soft tissues. 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. 92 ply sheets. And these, so they are reusable, I believe. I hope they ran them through some sanitizer, you know what I mean? Then you get walnut and cellulose sponges. You get a 2-pack made from renewable plant materials. So these are all plant-based. These are, sponges. One side has this brown scratchy part for your hard stuck on stuff. And then the white part is your spongy part. Okay. Then you get this box, which has 4 rolls of toilet paper. It says, in partnership with Arbor Day Foundation, our goal is to plant 1 million trees by 2020 to help regenerate struggling forests across the USA. Every roll of seedling bath tissue you purchase helps us get closer to achieving our mission. It says, new and improved, softer and thicker, tree-free products made of 100% sustainable bamboo. So basically you're wiping your butt with bamboo. 400 3-ply sheets per roll, 16 square inches per sheet, 180 square feet total area. So you got your booty paper. Then you have this handcrafted soap, a bar of soap, and this is cedar and sage, made with organic oatmeal and olive oil. Smells good. So you can see it is natural. Have my husband use that. And it is very organic. It's a 4-ounce bar of soap. Sometimes returning silky sudsy soap of yore. Sometimes returning to the past is a good thing. Our solid soap is crafted by hand and traditional methods, which means it's more moisturizing, longer lasting, and gentle on the skin. And it says, "Huzzah!" Then you get limited edition scent, Miss Meyer's Cleaning Day Apple Cedar Scent. Multi-surface everyday cleaner, removes dirt and freshens surfaces. This is a 16 fluid ounce bottle. It says made with plant diverted cleaning ingredients, essential oils, made without parabens and glycol solvents and artificial colors. So this is all natural cleaning spray. Then this is Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and it's in the scent Apple Cedar Scent, made with olive oil and aloe vera. It's a 12 fluid ounce bottle. And the ingredients are plant divided cleaning ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera extract, glycerin, and olive oil. Then we have another Mrs. Meyer's apple cedar scent as well, dish soap, biodegradable and cuts and grease. Made with plant divided cleaning ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera extract, and glycerin. So there's that. Then you get this, it's called a Bowl Up dish soap dispenser and brush set. This is pretty cool. I've seen other YouTubers when they're doing a Grove deal. This is pretty awesome. Okay, so you get this wooden bamboo handled scrubber brush. Then you get this little dish. It's a ceramic dish, and you put your soap in here, put your little bit of water in there. Then you take this little thing right here, it has a spring. You'll drop it in there. You'll take this little brush and you sit there and you push it down, and then it gets bubbles and soap all on your spongy thing. And then when you're done with it, you just put it right there, and it doesn't have all that gunk and nastiness like most sponges or things have. So there's that. Now this one is a 2-part thing. Here's your glass spray. It has a rubber thingy on the bottom so it won't fall. Here is your orange and rosemary glass cleaner. You open this bad boy up, you put it in here, and you fill it up with the rest. You fill the rest of it with water. You shake, 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 and then you spray your windows. You have, voila, you have glass cleaner. My husband's over there going shake, shake, shake. Next is baby products or adult products. These are nice to have when you're an adult and you're on the road and you can't get to a potty and you have side of the road type situation, and wipe your booty. I know we've been out fishing and our tummy's not been 100%, needs to be. And so we keep baby wipes on us. And not only that, we have a 2-year-old, so this will do great for him as well. It says most sustainable wipes made of 100% bamboo viscose. These wipes are compostable after use, make them even better for the environment. Bamboo absorbs 5 times much CO2 as trees. No preservatives were used in growing our bamboo. Pesticides, my bad. Bamboo is ready for harvesting in as little as 3 months, while trees take 20 years. The variety of bamboo is not a source of food for panda bears. So basically, they're not taken away from the pandas. They do their own thing to where it's made for like cleaning products and stuff like that. It's not made for like the food for pandas. Ingredients is aqua, glycerin, something, sodium benzate, sodium citrate, aloe barbanis leaf juice. So basically, baby wipes. And then we have wrinkle releaser, free and clear. It says, no more iron, no iron, no problem. Our wrinkle releaser removes folds and static from fabric for silk clothes in no time. Basically, you spray it, straighten. Place on hanger to dry. Water, alcohol, ketonic detergent, basically detergent, which is basically what is that stuff called, babe? It's not conditioner, but it's basically softener. Liquid softener. But so this is the wrinkle releaser. Next you have Metod antibacterial toilet cleaner. Kills 99.9% of household germs. Cleans and disinfects. Now, when I opened this box, this is majority of what I was smelling. I've officially met my match. Germ Buster. So basically, it sanitizes, disinfects, and this is a 24 fluid ounce bottle of toilet cleaner. Next is 20 pack of dishwasher detergent packs. The net weight is 300 grams, 10.6 ounce, 94%